Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I hope you are all doing great and you are working on your speaking skills. It's day 9 of my communication journey. So today I'm going to talk about some practice and tips that will help you to improve your speaking skills. So let's get to the point. My first tips is grab your phone and start recording yourself. Even if you don't know to make a right sentences, even if you don't know uh, the proper way to speak in English, start recording yourself and talk about your hobbies, passion, dreams, routine, whatever you interested, talk about it. And my second tips is writing. Writing will help you. Writing writing will help you to express your thought, emotions, and creativity. When you start to write, you understand yourself better, your emotions, your thoughts. So writing will help you to to express yourself and help you to speak confident. Even if you don't know to write in a proper way sentence, don't worry about it, the grammatical rules and all about sentences. Write it, and if you write it daily, and with the time you get better at writing and speaking. While writing, you can read it out loud. That will help you to get better at both speaking and writing. You might be thinking about me, what is he talking about? But honestly, uh, if you do this on a daily basis, you record yourself, you talk to yourself, and you write your thoughts, your ideas, your routine, that will help you to improve your speaking skills and writing skills. And whatever you write, read it out loud, because when you read it something out loud, you listen to yourself, and that will help you to listen listening and speaking. Even when I am one of them, I can express myself better through writing more than speaking in English. So I try to write whatever ideas in my mind and in about any topic, like what your hobbies, about your ideas, what is your goal, what is your dream, what is your passion, is your hobbies. Talk about it and write about it, even if you are not writing a uh, right sentence. It's not matter. Matter is you are expressing your thoughts, your emotions, and that's great. So practice to talk about yourself, to record yourself, and write. I think writing is the best way to understand your feelings and understand yourself, emotions, and your creativity. Writing is the bestest way to understand your creative mind and yourself. So even when I started to speaking, I get stuck, but in a writing, I write it very well, more than speaking. I express myself through writing, and I I write sentences more than speaking. When I started speaking, I stuck, but when I started writing, I write it better, more than speaking. So I think writing is the bestest way to express yourself, to build your confidence. Even it's help you to building your confidence. So these are two tips that I want to share with you. So it's all about for today. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and follow for more videos. Thank you guys.